All right, let's talk about the annual review process. Now, what you're looking at is the beta version of our calculator, which we use in order to be able to set up our annual review process. We're going to go through the calculator. Now, you may or may not have used this before, but we're going to show you how the results help you do your annual review. So let's start, and I'm going to put my name. Oh, well, I thought it was already saved. Claire, C is age 5. Now I'm going to go through and add in my balances. So for education, we have about 42,000. For retirement, I think she has 25,000. Her brokerage account, which now she has to split with her brother, is 10,500. Her bonds, I just started doing those. She has 2,000. And then she does have life insurance. So calculate. I'm going to put my email in, get my results. There we go. All right. So we're going to look at this and we're going to see that our target for education is 35,500. We're above that by $6,000. We're in good shape. No catch-ups needed. Retirement should be at 21. It should be at 3,900. We're at 21,000. I went a little crazy with her Roth IRA the first couple years. Her brokerage account should have 7,900. It's got 10,500. Okay, so bonds. She has 2,000. She actually should have 12,000 in here. So this is the one that I'm not caught up on. Now, I know my maximum amount for the year, bonds per person per household, is $10,000. So I can do a $10,000 catch-up payment on her bonds and try to get her closer to what her goal should be for her next age bracket. Now, that is if I continue to do each of the other, if I continue my monthly investment in each of the other categories, I'm ahead, so I should stay ahead. Now, I never reallocate. Like, I look at retirement, I'm like, oh, I can move some of that money around. But the reality is that I have this $50 a month thing going on in a retirement account so that I can reach that ultimate goal. And if I'm ahead, if there's a really bad stock market year, I'm talking down 20, 30, 40%, which not probable, but not out of the realm of possibility, that those numbers may come into balance. And then I might then look at, okay, you know what? I'm down, but I'm still there. And then I can continue to dollar cost average so that when the market goes back up over every 10-year period it does, I'll be absolutely fine, or I'll be that much further ahead. So if you get ahead in an account, you don't stop, you don't reallocate, you follow with your your systematic investing. And then whenever there's a deficiency at the end of the year, you try to catch up in Q1. One recommendation that I do make is I like to do not my catch-up payments, but my review beginning of December, so that if there is an opportunity for me to catch up in that calendar year for tax purposes, that I can do that. For example, retirement, we're putting $50 a month away, right? That's $600 a year. I could be putting $6,500. So I don't want to miss a tax-based opportunity to put more money into an account. And we'll work with you on each of those. If you're just starting your child out at like age 10 and you go through this exercise and the numbers seem astronomical and what your catch-up is, what we're going to do is we're going to set up the accounts, we're going to get started, and then we're going to try to put in a little bit, maybe monthly, quarterly, or annually over a period of time for catch-up. It's not about being able to write a big check on day one in order to get caught up. It's about doing what you're capable of after setting up your base of automated investing. All right, the calculator is there for you to use, pages.rogercbryan.com. This is the super alpha version, and it's going to get better over time. I wanted to get the functions in place so that we can do some of these trainings and we can help you get started with your budgets. All right, thank you.